Coming up with Fun with the Bugs.
This is a Monster Truck time! Come up right after this!
What in the world? Monster Jam blind bags, Hot Wheels. Coming up right after this. Have fun with the... Bugs, my little guitar hero. Today, we are not gonna write a song. We're gonna open up Monster Jam mini truck blind bags by Hot Wheels. Bugs, we have opened these before, and the last time we opened these, we got triplicated. We got triplets. We didn't get duped, we got triplets, so we are hoping for a better opening today. If that happens again, Bugs, I don't know what I'm gonna do.
You should yell at me because I picked up the blind bags.
All right,
Actually,
there you go.
You did. I should yell at you.
I picked them out or you picked them out?
You.
Okay, so I'm gonna yell at myself if we get triplicated. I do not believe we're getting triplicated. But if you guys want to check out that last video, we actually had some cool racing in that video. And we actually included Percy racing, these mini monster trucks. We got Hot Wheels racing, and I'm gonna link that up above so you guys can check that video out.
Percy won!
But hopefully we, don't ruin the video.
Sorry.
So hopefully we can open up 3 new ones today. No triplets, Bugs. No triplets! No triplets! No triplets! No triplets!
No triplets!
Have you been practicing? Impressive, kid. Alright, so let's just oh, Bugs.
What? Go.
They don't tell you who is in these packs, so let's take a look. And these are the mini
I forgot who was in there.
monster trucks that you can get, Bugs. So the ones that you can get is Grave Digger, Max D, the Red Virgin, El Toro Loco, Monster Mutt, Mohawk Warrior, Team Hot Wheels, Northern Nightmare, and there is a mystery truck.
Can I see the car?
So we are hoping for the mystery truck, Bugs. We got triplicated on the Northern Nightmare, right?
Yeah.
We got 3 Northern Nightmares in that last video, and we got a Team Hot Wheels. So hopefully we get 3 new ones today, Bugs. So let's start it off, and I have been sharpening my teeth actually. I've been doing this cool trick to sharpen my teeth. I do push-ups and sit-ups with my teeth, but that's for another video, Bugs. So here we go, blind bag number 1, Bugs. Ready? It's been a while since I opened up a blind bag with my teeth, right?
I'm putting the guitar down.
All right, ready?
Putting the guitar down.
By the way, folks, don't try this at home. These are sanitized before they go in my mouth. Ready, Bugs?
Sure. They're sanitized.
Alright, okay.
I thought they were dirty.
If I recall, these bags don't taste that good, so I'm gonna hold my nose.
The OOSHIES ones are good.
It's actually kind of bland. Next time I'm bringing salt. If you open more mini bags, I'm gonna bring some salt and pepper, Bugs. Alright, let's go, Bugs.
I thought you...
No dupes! No dupes!
No, not you.
Is it a new guy?
Grave Digger!
Ah, awesome! We got a mini.
Yes, he comes with a black one! What?
They all come with that, Bugs. So that's the mini Grave Digger we just got. He is super awesome. He is a new one of ours. And who doesn't like Grave Digger? If you guys like Grave Digger, give this video a thumbs up. Grave Digger. Just give the video a thumbs up if you like monster trucks. Comes with a sticker. Take away that sticker, Bugs.
This is yours.
Cool Grave Digger sticker.
Your sticker? My
Wheels work on these trucks. They're really cool. They fit in Hot Wheels tracks. So you can totally put them on your 6-lane. If you have a 6-lane, you can throw them on your orange Hot Wheels tracks. They are super cool and they're actually pretty fast.
You're reading that sticker.
If I recall, these little mini monster trucks actually beat the Hot Wheels Bugs. I think they did.
No.
Comes with a little launcher that you can throw in there like that. And it will launch.
Oh,
what are you doing? And you can launch it. I'm trying to show how it launches. Ready? You launch it like that. And whoa, is that thing fast or what, kid? Look, you can shoot them up in the air like fireworks. Whoa! Fireworks. Whoa! All right, Bugs.
I opened the next one. It's easy. You don't need
All right. No dupe. No dupe.
it.
No.
Grave Digger!
We got dupe. Again. Dupe. We got 3 bags, and we got 2 grave diggers. Let me guess, it comes with a black one. Same black one. Let me guess, it comes with a sticker. Do they come with the same stickers, Bugs?
Yeah.
They do come with the same stickers.
And I'm wearing the same one.
So the grave diggers are identical, exactly the same. 2 grave diggers. Bugs, we're gonna name the channel Fun with the Dupes. Fun with no!
I couldn't open that.
No, you can't! No, you can't! I'm looking for this. No. Alright, here it is. Ready?
Yeah.
If you think we got a triplicated, again, if it's actually possible, put it in the comments if you think we got triplicated, yes or no. But here it is, Bugs. This is what I saw so far. And I don't remember who else is in there. But I will tell you, I did see green on the bottom. Is it possible we picked up 3 grave diggers, Bugs? Do you think so?
No.
You say no?
Yes. No.
Alright, I'm gonna say yes.
Actually,
I always saw green.
Yes.
I always saw green.
Yes.
I don't know if there's anything
Wait,
else
can I
in
see
the
that
bottom.
phone?
No, we have to.
Yes.
No, you're saying
No,
yes.
it's a no.
No, it's a no. It's a no. It's a yes.
It could be a.
It's a no. No or yes. No or yes. Yes
No,
or no.
no.
All right, you do it. I can't even. I'm scared to even look because we got triplicated.
We got triplets!
Are you kidding me? Are you...
No stickers!
How is that? How is it even possible that we pulled 3 grave diggers? 3. And the last time we pulled 3 Northern Nightmares. How? Bugs. Who picked me? Did I pick these or did you pick them out of the box?
I picked them.
I picked it. You sure? You sure? Alright, so Bugs, why don't you come back in here? Wipe away the tears. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It was a bad pick. Wipe away the tears. Why don't you sing us like a sad song? This is a very sad situation. Come sit. Sing me a sad song. No! We got triplicated! Alright. So we apologize. We got triplicated. I can show you how they all work. They all work the same. They all look the same. They're all grave diggers. Well, at least we got triplicated with grave diggers. So at least we got triplicated cool.
Yeah, look.
So give this video a thumbs up. If you think you can pull triplets, let's see what you guys can do. Because we can pull triplets. Not many people can pull triplets, Bugs. Man, good thing it's cars that are triplets and not my children. Can you imagine 3 bugs running around the house? That would be crazy.
That'd be awesome.
So please,
That'd be awesome.
give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to more Fun with the Bugs. Subscribe like 3 times. Because we like triplets. Turn on the notification bell so you can see when we upload new videos. Bugs, come back in here, please.
Okay.
Let me wipe those tears away one more time.
No.
Bugs, take us out. Just.
I'm so happy I can scream!
I don't know why he's so happy, but he can scream. I'm so sad.